Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I was expecting this to go up and take out the high wave W, but we could end up making a lower high. It could end up being like a running pattern. I mean, we definitely have one up, we definitely got three down, and we definitely got another three waves up. There is a possibility that this move down is just a pullback to the last impulsive up, which is why if it does break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level on shorter time frames, I will definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely making lower lows, lower highs. That we had a bounce at the 38%, never broke structure, ended up going down and making a new low. So now we have a new structure. So if it doesn't break structure at a Fib level, if it doesn't do something like this at a Fibonacci level, then we'll just keep on looking for shorts. And if it just goes down, bounces, makes a lower high, goes down, bounces, makes a lower high, and we're just continuing to look for shorts, that definitely shouldn't create a problem. If it bounces from a fib level, goes up and breaks structure, then we'll just simply start looking for longs at the first pullback after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.